Hi, my lovely Cancerians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Cancerians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. I am so tired. I'm so tired and I'm feeling so sleepy. While pre-shuffling, I actually felt like, should I halt this? Should I pause this? And just take a power nap. That kind of energy I'm feeling, guys. I am anyway very tired and exhausted, but I feel the energy has amplified ever since I've started pre-shuffling for you guys. So there could be someone out there who has not been getting enough sleep, not been sleeping well, because I also saw what do I say, Nine of Swords. Okay, Nine of Swords or Nine of Wands, I don't remember it otherwise, but someone is like super duper tired and exhausted is what I saw, guys. You guys are probably there was Two of Pentacles. Someone is kind of juggling between different tasks, multitasking. Someone is acting super fast. Okay, you are doing like one thing after the other, one action after the other. Okay, and you guys are really very tired and exhausted is what I'm getting. Some of you guys, you guys are going to meet your soulmate. Okay, I saw Lovers card, Gemini energy, and this person, this person sees you as your perfect partner. Okay, they see the Ten of Cups, a perfect family picture with you. They see you as this beautiful, confident a person. Okay, a male, female, whoever it is, and if it's a male, of course, handsome person. But they see their life complete with you. Okay, that's what I was getting. A strong Sagittarian energy was coming through. Queen of Wands was there. Temperance energy was there. For some of you guys, the angels are definitely asking you to take it slow and have patience. Okay, do not try to get backdoor entry, or do not try to have shortcuts at anything. Okay, there are no shortcuts to success. That was the kind of message that was coming through very strongly for some of you guys. Okay. Yes, Ace of Cups, new relationship, new romantic relationship beginning for some of you guys, but for that you need to let go of old. Okay, if you were stuck in some old energies, some old relationship, you need to let go of that. Okay, and as soon as you do that, you are going to jump right into a new relationship. New love is awaiting you guys. Okay, for some of you guys, I saw that you guys are really stuck in some situation. Okay, you're feeling like you're going in circles in some situation. Okay, not making any progress, but just going about in circles around some situation. Okay, there you are at crossroads. You need to take some crucial decision is what I'm getting, guys. And for that you might be taking or seeking advice of someone elderly to you. Okay, could be a male, female. The energy was that of King of Cups, but the point being that this person whom you're consulting is quite wise. Okay, wiser in terms of age and wiser in terms of maturity and experience also. Okay, this person, whomever you are consulting, is very is a very emotional person. Okay, King of Cups is an emotional energy, but this person is also very wise. Okay, very wise, and has a lot of experience to his or her kitty. Okay, yeah. So with that, guys, those were some of the dominant messages. If at all I recall anything else, I will let you know. Okay, so with that, let's get started, guys, and see what we have for you guys in your main reading. By the way, if any of this resonates with you guys, if any of this is your story, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Oh my goodness, Cancerians, what was happening in the past? Oh my goodness, I had not expected that. Okay. Wow, happy to see Four of Wands. Okay. Oh my God, that is a big fat confirmation. Someone is, going to offer you. Someone is definitely going to offer you a commitment. Okay, commitment for sure. I'm yawning. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, but trust me, my eyes are so heavy. Queen of Cups. I had seen King of Cups while pre-shuffling. So yes, the divine counterpart kind of energy is showing up. Soulmate energy is showing up. Okay, you guys are connected to each other through past lifetimes. Let me see if you can see the cards. I think we are good enough already. I'm not going to move the camera any further. So guys, in the recent past, some things have ended for you guys, and very painfully so. I mean, this ending was so abrupt. Like it just happened out of the blue. It just happened out of nowhere. Like, when this event happened, when this incident happened, you were like, oh my God, what in the world just happened? Okay, I mean, did it really happen? That kind of a sudden ending. Okay, it could be it could be a relationship that might have gone sour, or it could be downsizing in terms of professional this thing, like someone might have been laid off, in which case I am truly sorry, guys. I mean, I know it was a tough time and very painful time, and I truly empathize with you guys, and I am sorry you had to go through such a tough energy in your recent past, guys. The Tower moment definitely was very disturbing for you guys in the recent past. Very painful endings is what I'm getting. But whatever this phase was, whatever this dark phase was, guys, it definitely has taught you lessons of lifetime. Okay, lessons of lifetime. Like if it was a relationship that has gone sour, if someone has backstabbed you in a relationship, you will know how to not trust anyone blindly. Okay, you'll also learn many things, especially if it was a relationship kind of a thing, or any bond. I'm saying, I'm not talking only about romantic relationship, but any bond for that matter. Friendship, relationship between your siblings, between parents, kids. Okay, whatever this has come to an end or gone sour, it has definitely taught you a lot of lessons. Okay, in fact, this has happened because your soul wanted to learn certain lessons in this lifetime. So yes, painful as it might be, but do not be disheartened. Learn your lessons. This happened because your soul wanted it to happen. It had to learn certain lessons in this lifetime so that it can ascend to a higher level. Okay, so please, if you haven't done that already, please learn your lessons. Okay, that's what is important. In your current energy, guys, I see Page of Swords and there is Wheel of Fortune. Some of you guys, there are a couple of messages here that I'm getting, guys, that some of you guys might be researching or studying about something. You guys are probably finding out more information about something, some situation, maybe some person. You could be even stalking someone or someone stalking you. Okay, but I feel that currently you are feeling stuck. Okay, you are absolutely feeling stuck. Someone out there is feeling that you are like going round and round in circles. But guys, there is another story to the wheel, that since it has shown up in your energy, even though you're feeling stuck right now, your life is about to change. Okay, your life is about to change. It is about to take another turn. Okay, the wheel of life is about to shift for you guys. So no matter how testing the times are, just have patience. Probably that's the reason why the Temperance energy was showing up so strongly. Sagittarian energy was showing up so strongly. It is asking, the angels are asking you to have patience. Like, just be patient with yourself, just be patient with the divine timing. Okay, everything is happening in the divine order. Okay, so just have patience. Okay, I also feel that some of you guys are going to receive a lot of messages. Okay, lot of messages, unexpected messages coming through this. Some of the this messenger could be messenger of a new opportunity as well for some of you guys, in terms of career or in terms of relationship as well. Okay, but definitely you are in for receiving some sort of message. Okay, could be a phone call, could be an unexpected text from someone. Okay, that kind of a thing I'm getting very, very strongly. In your immediate future, I see that some of you guys are, if you guys are waiting for something, okay, something to happen, you are definitely going to hear some news that is going to ring in progress in that direction. Okay, or some sort of update about that situation. Now it could be that you are waiting for a job interview, or for your offer letter, or for your investments to mature. Okay, anything for that matter, for your appraisal, or for your promotion, whatever it is, you are going to hear something about, or something in that context. Okay, there is going to be a communication coming your way with respect to, or with regards to the thing that you are waiting on so patiently. Okay, that's what I'm getting very, very strongly. Yeah, guys, you really need to have patience. I know you could be running out of patience for things to take things to move on to next level, or things to progress for you guys, but sometimes we just have to wait for a right time, is what I'm getting, guys. That's the energy that I'm getting very, very strongly for you Cancerians. Your overall energy is very beautiful. For some of you guys, there's going to be super duper good news in terms of relationship. There is going to be someone out there who's going to offer you commitment. Okay, commitment like long term relationship, marriage. I see that some of you guys would either get engaged or married to someone here. It could be an earth sign. Okay, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, need not be, but the chances are high. This person could be elder to you, could be wise in terms of experiences or worldly matters. Okay, who has lot of wisdom, is very, very grounded, is very, very rational and practical. Okay, and guys, I'm just talking about energy. I'm not talking whether it's a male or female. It could be absolutely anyone. I'm just talking about the energy. Okay, this person is extremely grounded and practical. At the same time, this person is filled with lot of love for you guys. Okay, lot of love, lot of love. Okay, 11 happy times, divine timing. Some of you guys might even relocate to another city. Okay, city, state. Okay, whatever, but relocation is on the cards, is what I'm saying. For some of you guys, you might actually shift house also. Okay, you might move from one house to another. You guys might attend someone's wedding, or housewarming, or some sort of social gathering, engagement, or it could be your own wedding. Okay, this could signify your own wedding also, Cancerians, in which case, heartiest congratulations. I'm so happy to see this energy for you guys. Like, I cannot tell you how happy I am. Okay, just give me a second, something fell. Yeah, your overall energy also talks about Hermit, Karma, and Ace of Swords. So guys, the angels are definitely asking. Now this energy is taking me back to the Tower energy and this 10 of Swords energy. Like, whatever, I told you, right, whatever has happened, because it was meant to happen that way. Your soul wanted that thing to happen. It has taken birth on or in the it has taken birth in this lifetime to learn certain lessons. Okay, so we as human beings do not understand that, but your soul knows it knows its purpose. Okay, it is here on this earth with a purpose, and that's precisely why certain things have happened the way they did. Okay, there were some karmic debts to be paid. There were some karmic what do I say? Yeah, dates is only what I'll say, that there were some karmic bonds or giveaways that were there from your end, or takeaways from your end, whatever it is. Give and take is what I would say, and that's the reason why certain things have happened. Even if the events could be disturbing for you, deep down that there is some lesson for you guys. Okay, this incident is not related to this lifetime. You had some karmic debts with the other person involved in this incident. Okay, it is going to make you step back, introspect. Okay, pause. Okay, and if you're not doing that, do that, guys. Take a step back, see what lesson it is trying to teach you. Okay, so that learn the lesson, otherwise you'll keep on repeating similar incidents in your lifetime, in your life. Okay, unless and until you learn your lessons, similar things keep on happening in your life. Okay, so whatever this incident was, make sure you're learning your lessons, make sure you're introspecting. Okay, guys, also rest enough. Okay, rest enough. I see that you are actually physically also very very tired, not just emotionally but physically also very very tired. So make sure you're taking ample rest, you're sleeping well. Take those power naps, take that break. Okay, you really need it, because I see that you have been dealing with some very very heavy energy, some karmic lessons over here. Okay, Virgo energy showing up very very strongly over here, guys. Some of you guys are going to have brand new openings in terms of in terms of career or projects. I would say you might get a new project in your existing workplace, but I also feel that this Ace of Swords is signifying that you'll get a very clear vision or clarity of thoughts over some situation. Okay, all of a sudden it'll be like the clouds or the skies are clearing up. Okay, the clouds are subsiding, and you are able to see things clearly now. Okay, the sun has started shining and through the clouds, and you are now seeing things clearly. Okay, so that kind of enlightenment or vision you're going to get, or wisdom that's going to come to you after this karmic incident or this episode is what I'm getting, guys. Wow, very very beautiful and intense message to whoever that is applicable. Cancerians, let's pull one message from this beautiful deck. You are very close to achieving your goal, and look at this, both the cards are signifying the same message. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Of course it is approaching, right? You are very very close to achieving your goals, guys. Do not, by any chance, do not give up. Okay, just hang in there, be patient, be kind to yourself, be gentle to yourself. Okay, and whatever this rough or tough phase is, okay, in whichever area of your life it is going to end very very soon. Okay, that's what I'm getting very very strongly. 10 is always followed by a new beginning. You have both, by the way, from the same suit, 10 of Swords and Ace of Swords, which means after these endings there are going to be brand new beginnings. So just hang in there, hold in tight. Okay, just do not give up, guys. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy coming through very very strongly. If at all you have these placements in your birth chart anywhere, do check out those readings as well. Let's pull. Okay, something flipped right away. Reconsider. Wow, reconsider. So guys, the angels are asking you to reconsider whatever it is that you are asking or praying for. Okay, maybe certain things have not worked out because they were not for your highest good. Okay, so do not try to manifest something which was not good for you. Certain things have ended because they were not good for you in the long run. Okay, so please do definitely reconsider whatever you are praying for. And at the bottom of the deck is big fat yes. Whatever your dreams and aspirations and whatever it is that you have, yes no kind of question. Like I said, right, while pre-shuffling, you guys are at the crossroads and trying to decide something. If you have a yes no kind of a question in your mind, the answer is a big fat yes. And guys, I feel that this is a positive yes, okay, not a negative one. So yes, I'm really happy that I've pulled these cards for you guys. Let's pull some charms and conclude the reading. Death card. Oh my god. Scorpion energy. Definitely there are some endings for you guys now. It's like proved, or it's like proven and confirmed very very starkly by our angels and archangels. Some things are bound to end for you guys. There are some closures. Some chapter of your life is closing for you guys. Wow, just thank you for the confirmation, guys. Initials V and U. Okay, UV ultraviolet, U and V. Okay, if at all they strike any chord to you guys, they remind you of any person, place, thing, pet, okay, whatever. U, initials U and V, whatever they mean to you guys, they are of same color, by the way. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. Yeah, whatever these initials mean to you guys, lovely. For some of you guys, especially the ones who are going to have new relationship, your partner finds you absolutely adorable and lovely. Okay, that's what this charm is telling me. Yes, you guys are definitely going to travel. Maybe you guys might get married and go to Paris. Just saying, not if not Paris, somewhere overseas, but yeah, Paris is, since it's a city of love, I feel that it's even more confirming that you guys are definitely going to have a new relationship, okay, new committed relationship, marriage or wedding bells round the corner, and you guys might just fly to Paris after that. Okay, if that happens, please do let me know, guys. And this clock, didn't I tell you guys, it's so significant, and it's so I don't know what to say. I told you, right? Sometimes we just really need to wait for our time to arrive, okay? And that's precisely what is happening with you guys, Cancerian. I know the times might be testing your patience. It might be, wearing you out, making you feel impatient and frustrated. But trust me, guys, big happy changes are there for you guys in store, and you just have to wait for your right time. Okay, wait for your time. Do not rush into any things out of impatience. Just wait for what you deserve and whatever is in store for you guys. Okay, that is a lovely message from the angels and spirit guides over here. So Cancerians, I'll leave it at that. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.